Ben! The money is gone! You took it, didn't you?
Mom, you really think I stole from Grandma? You didn't even ask me what happened.
100, 200, 300. Good. Exactly 300.
Wow, is that real money?
No, Ben. I printed it this morning.
Really?
No.
That is a lot of money.
It is for Grandma Rose.
For what?
She needs new glasses. $300 for glasses?
Good glasses can be expensive.
Then I am keeping these forever. Has anyone seen my car keys?
Next to the coffee. Michael, can you keep this somewhere safe?
Sure. What is it?
Grandma's glasses money.
How much?
300.
Okay, I will keep it safe. Work. Hello? Yes, I have the reports.
Do not forget that.
I won't.
What are you doing?
Looking for an envelope.
There is one right there.
No, that belongs to Mom.
Why do you need one?
For something important. This.
That does not answer my question.
I know. Yes. Send me the address. I can be there in 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm leaving now. Seriously?
Michael? Michael!
What happened?
Where is your father?
He left.
The envelope is gone.
Ben was looking for an envelope this morning.
Did he take this one?
I do not think so.
Hi.
Ben.
What are those?
Headphones. They look expensive. They are not mine.
Where did you get them?
Daniel.
Daniel gave you those?
Yes?
Daniel gave you expensive headphones? They are broken.
You forgot that part. You did not ask. Did you see the white envelope on the kitchen table?
Yes? Why?
It is missing. Missing?
He was looking for an envelope this morning. Yes, my envelope. You never told me what it was for.
Because it is private. Ben, I need you to tell me the truth.
I am telling you the truth.
Ben, do you know what happened to Grandma's envelope?
What?
You think I stole it?
I did not say that.
You asked if I took it.
I just need to understand what happened.
I did not take it. You do not believe me.
I forgot my folder. What happened?
Grandma's envelope is missing.
What envelope?
The envelope I gave you.
Oh, good start. I thought I left it here.
You said you would keep it safe.
I know. Are those new?
No.
Where did they come from?
They belong to Daniel.
Then why do you have them?
Because... And he needed an envelope this morning.
Can everybody stop helping? Okay, tell us what happened.
I already did. I did not take the money. Nobody wants to fight with you. It does not feel like that. We are trying to understand. No, you are trying to make everything fit one story. What story? The story where I took it. You already decided.
Maybe there is another explanation.
Maybe I understood it the wrong way. Fine. Maybe I sounded like I did.
Before we accuse anyone else, maybe we should find out what happened.
That would have helped 5 minutes ago.
Fair. Hello?
Something went wrong.
What happened?
They think I took money.
Your family?
Yes. Because of your headphones.
My broken headphones?
Did you tell them about our plan? No. It is supposed to be a surprise. Do not tell my mom yet. Mom, I heard Ben talking to Daniel.
What did he say?
He said, "Do not tell my mom yet."
About what?
I do not know. Maybe we need to understand this better.
I think so too.
There are my favorite people. And my favorite quiet visitor.
Hi, Grandma.
What happened?
Nothing.
Wonderful. All four of you look miserable over nothing.
We cannot find the envelope for your glasses.
My envelope?
Yes, $300.
These still work?
They are held together with tape.
Very strong tape. Ben, do you know what happened to the envelope?
No.
Okay.
That is it?
I asked him.
And that is enough for now?
For now, until we understand what really happened. People get into trouble when they decide too quickly.
I never do that.
Frank Harris.
Did someone say my name?
Why do you not like each other?
It is a long story. Very short story. He borrowed my drill.
And I returned it.
No, you did not.
How long ago?
12 years.
12 years? You have argued about a drill for 12 years?
It was a good drill. He came on Tuesday.
Monday.
Tuesday. It was sunny.
It was raining.
It was not raining.
You remember the weather from 12 years ago? But nobody remembers where the drill went. Oh no.
What?
I just remembered the garage roof.
What about it?
It sometimes leaks in weather like this. My photo albums!
Ben, be careful!
I have this side.
Let me help. Almost there.
Just a little more.
You saved them.
Is Ben here?
Why does Ben have your headphones?
He is fixing them. They stopped working last week. Ben forgot this.
Tell them about the headphones. They are mine.
They were broken.
And Ben is repairing them?
Yes,
So these are Daniel's headphones?
yes, that is what I said.
Was the phone call about something else? I heard part of it earlier.
We were planning,
Daniel, not yet.
Is there something you want to tell us later?
yes.
Can we wait? Please? Ben!
Emma, ask. Do not attack.
It is only the power.
I knew that.
Of course you did.
There is a flashlight in the old cabinet.
Which cabinet?
The wooden one.
It is stuck.
Maybe it is locked. 12 years of experience. There, that old key.
Of course.
Is that the drill?
A 12-year-old miracle.
There is something on it.
Returned by Frank Harris. Monday! Monday!
I may remember something. Frank returned it while you were out, so I put it somewhere safe. Very safe.
Frank, I was wrong.
Again.
Sorry.
You saw one thing. The drill was gone, so you decided Frank kept it. That sounds familiar.
You are right. I saw the headphones. I am sorry. I should not have made you feel like a thief.
I was really angry. You had a reason.
I was also a little dramatic.
A little?
Wait. The money is still missing.
Oh, yes.
I was enjoying my victory.
Your 5 minutes are over.
Mom,
Sorry.
this is mine. $28.
Why do you have that?
For you. Daniel and I have been fixing old things. Headphones, radios, small things. Then we sell them. You have been doing that? That is why you needed the envelope.
I wanted to help pay for Grandma's glasses.
It was supposed to be a surprise.
It still is. $28. That may buy one expensive screw.
Maybe 2.
Do not let Michael carry it.
Drawer? Checked.
Cupboard?
Checked. I found something. The envelope? No.
What is it? Something that used to be food. Do not touch it.
Dad, did you forget this?
My reports. I thought I took this. I can explain.
Interesting. We are listening.
I was on the phone.
Yes.
I picked up my papers.
And I must have picked up the envelope too.
Yes.
Can somebody else say something?
No. So, I had an envelope.
Yes.
I had expensive-looking headphones.
Yes.
I had a secret.
Yes.
And none of those things meant I took Grandma's money.
Correct.
I like this conversation.
I am sorry too.
For the money?
For not listening.
And
And what?
the drill. I should say sorry too. I told Mom you were looking for an envelope.
That was true.
Yes, but I made it sound suspicious.
Sorry. Okay. That easy? No. You owe me a snack. $300.
All of it?
And this?
No. You keep it.
No.
Ben,
Grandma.
She will win.
Why did you bring that?
I am lending it to you.
When do you want it back?
Before 2038.
Headphones did not mean Ben bought them.
An envelope did not mean he took Mom's money.
And a missing drill did not mean Frank kept it.
Please say that again.
No.
so what should we do next time?
Check the facts. Ask before blaming someone. And listen to the answer.
And check your folder.
Michael?
Yes?
Is that you? I definitely need new glasses.
They work!
I told you.
Are you sure?
Give me your phone.
No.
One missing envelope. One pair of headphones. One secret. And many wrong ideas. Sometimes one clue But one clue is not the whole story. If you were Emma, would you have believed Ben?
Write only one word in the comments, yes or no.
Ask first. Then listen.
And check your folder.
Do not blame someone before you know the whole story.
And always return borrowed tools.
See you in the next Slow English story.